हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू स्टडी दुनिया। तो दोस्तों, आज इस वीडियो में हम पॉलिटी का इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करेंगे जो आने वाले सभी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम के लिए महत्वपूर्ण है। तो चलो आज का वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ डज द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया डिस्क्राइब्स इंडिया आज? राइट आंसर ऑप्शन बी, ए यूनियन ऑफ स्टेट्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, the system of judicial review originated in? Right answer option D, USA. Next question, who was the chairman of drafting committee of the constitution? Right answer option D, B.R. Ambedkar. Chairman of drafting committee. Next question, who was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly of India? Right answer option C, Sir B.N. Rao. Next question, which of the following countries have an unwritten constitution? Which of the following countries have an unwritten constitution? Right answer option B, UK. Next question, which of the following countries has introduced direct democracy? Right answer option D, Switzerland. Next question, the Constitution of India was adopted on? Right answer option C, 26 November 1949. Next question, which of the following is a future to both the Indian Federation and the American Federation? Right answer option D, a federal Supreme Court to interpret the Constitution. Next question, the Constitution of India describes India as? Right answer option A union of states. Next question, who among the following was the president of Indian Constitution Assembly? Who among the following was the president of the Constitutional Assembly of India? राइट आंसर ऑप्शन ए डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इंडियन पेनल कोड केम इनटू ऑपरेशन इन। राइट आंसर ऑप्शन डी 1862। आईपीसी इंडियन पेनल कोड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ मेनी आर्टिकल्स आर देयर इन द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। राइट आंसर ऑप्शन ए 395। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, when was our national anthem first sung and where। राइट आंसर ऑप्शन डी 27 December 1911 in Calcutta। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, the constitution of India came into force on। राइट आंसर ऑप्शन ए 26 January 1950। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, the two form of democracy are। The two forms of democracy are। राइट आंसर ऑप्शन ए parliamentary and presidential। parliamentary and presidential। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which was described by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the constitution। राइट आंसर ऑप्शन सी right to constitutional remedies। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, in India the concept of single citizenship is adopted from। राइट आंसर ऑप्शन ए इंग्लैंड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, the method of impeachment of Indian the method of impeachment of the president of India is adopted from। राइट आंसर ऑप्शन ए USA। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, who are the chairman of the Constitutional Assembly। राइट आंसर ऑप्शन बी डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद। The Constituent Assembly of India was set up under the। राइट आंसर ऑप्शन डी कैबिनेट मिशन प्लान। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, who is considered the architect of the Indian Constitution। राइट आंसर ऑप्शन बी B.R. Ambedkar। Next question. The concurrent list in the Indian Constitution is adopted from the Constitution of concurrent list. Right answer. Option D. Australia. Next question. Indian Constitution is right answer. Option B. Quasi federal. Next question. Who is the custodian of the Indian Constitution? Who is the custodian of the Indian Constitution? Right answer. Option B. Chief Justice of India. Next question. Universal Adolphe Francis shows that India is a country which is right answer. Option C. Democratic. Next question. Autocracy means autocracy means right answer. Option C. Absolute rule by one. Next question. The idea of a parliamentary form of government is adopted from the idea of a parliamentary form of government is adopted from right answer. Option B. UK. United Kingdom. Next question. The Constitution of India was framed by the Constitution of India was framed by right answer. Option B. Constituent Assembly. Constituent Assembly. Next question. Bills of which of the following category can be initiated only in Lok Sabha? Right answer. Option C. Money bill. Right answer. Option C. Money bill. Next question. The term secular was added in preamble of the Indian Constitution by. The term secular was added in the preamble to the Indian Constitution by. Right answer. Option B. 42 Amendment. Next question. Fundamental rights in India are guaranteed by its through. Right answer. Option C. Right to constitutional remedies. Next question. How many fundamental duties are included in Indian Constitution? How many fundamental duties? Right answer option C 11. Next question. The right to vote in election to a parliament is a right answer option B constitutional right. Next question. The fundamental rights in our constitution are inspired by the constitution of the fundamental rights in our constitution are inspired by the constitution of right answer option A USA United States of America. Next question. How many types of writs can be issued by the Supreme Court? How many types of writs? Right answer option C 5. Next question. Which one of the following is the guardian of fundamental right? Guardian of the fundamental rights. Right answer option D judiciary. Next question. Which of the following articles of the Constitution deals with the fundamental duties? Which of the following articles of the Constitution deals with the fundamental duties? Right answer option B Article 51A. Article 51A. Next question. Which part of the Constitution deals with the directive principle of state policy? DPSP. Directive principle of state policy. Right answer option B part 4. Next question. Fundamental duties were added to the Constitution by fundamental duties. Right answer option C 42 amendment. Next question. A secular state is one which a secular state is one which. Right answer option A has no religion of its own. Secular means has no religion of its own. Next question. No person can be employed in factories or mines unless he is above the age of. No person can be employed in factories or mines unless he is above the age of. Right answer option B 14 years. Right answer option B 14 years. Next question. In India, the right to property is now recognized as. In India, the right to property is now recognized as. Right answer option B, a legal right. Next question. Right to vote is a. Right to vote is a. Right answer option A, political right. Right to vote is a political right. Next question. Not to destroy the government property is a. Not to destroy the government property is a. Right answer option C, civil duty. Next question. Dual citizenship is a feature of. Dual citizenship. Right answer federal government. Next question. The members of the Rajya Sabha are elected for a term of. The members of the Rajya Sabha are elected for a term of. Right answer option D, 6 years. Next question. If Parliament appoints a committee for a specific purpose, it is known as. It is known as. Right answer option D, ad hoc committee. Next question. The estimate committee consists of. The estimate committee consists of. Right answer option A, 30 members from Lok Sabha.